Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up MCP servers in Claude Code beginner tutorial. First, make sure you have Claude Code installed and running on your system. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, which allows Claude to connect with external tools and data sources. To get started, open your project folder and create a configuration file for your MCP server. This is usually a JSON file where you define the server name, command, and environment settings. Next, install or set up an MCP-compatible server, such as a local tool or API service you want Claude to access. Then, update your config file with the server details, including the command to run the server and any required API keys. After that, restart Claude Code so it can detect the MCP server. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the server available inside your workspace. Now, you can start using MCP tools directly within Claude Code to run commands, fetch data, or automate tasks to that /it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.